Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have Matchbox playsets. We've opened the bank alarm playset. Today we're gonna open the Shark Pier playset. Wow, that looks like lots of fun. Let's get it open. This set comes with this cool fire inspector car. It also has a pelican and a sailor man. Let's check out the set. It's got these cool sails on it. And it says Matchbox Surf Shop. And it has this really cool lighthouse. See, the back is just simple. This part is a pier. There's a place to connect another ramp here, and you can see that this part has another ramp. And the pier can shoot up as the shark tries to eat the cars or the people. Oh look, he's got some fish and some other things in his mouth. Let's see how the set works. Oh my! He nearly got him. Get ready with the finch. Whoa! And this can hook to our other set. Let's hook it up to the set we have open. There! Now it's hooked together. So we can go from the shark to the bank playset. These are small sets, but they are a lot of fun. I can't wait to open our next one. Thank you guys for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.